You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American rapper. For more names from rap and music celebrity names that can be a bit confusing, make sure to stay tuned. Doechii. Let's break it down into syllables. Do, chi. Doechii. It's easy once you know Doechii, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.